Hey everybody, Nick Muhlbach here, back with yet another video. Today we are going to be doing a review of this brand new on-camera Synco microphone. Please leave a like, please leave a comment, and please consider hitting that Teespring in the bio. Thank you. Okay everybody, so I was kind of dealing with a little bit of a storage issue when it came to my computer, so I will be showing you guys the contents from the Canon camera. This right here is going to be the microphone itself, and what's really interesting about this microphone is that there's a headphone jack on the back. That's something that I've really never seen before and something that actually intrigues me a lot. I don't see myself using this function a lot, but like I said, it's really interesting. And it also has a gain meter that can go from -10 to 15. Personally, I always like to have it set at 0. If you would like a more in-depth look at how this was recorded and how the gain is used, please click the link in the bio. Johnny Woo, who let me borrow this for this review, allowed for a little bit more when it came to using the gain functionality. You're also going to get your standard shock mount, on-camera cord, phone cord, charging, and your dead cat. It doesn't come with anything else other than that to cover it with, so if you have something else, I would recommend using that. That said, let's get into the test. Alright everybody, we are currently recording with the Synco microphone. I really do like this microphone, and one of the really nice things about it is that you potentially can switch it into a microphone for a boom pole. It has the size, it has the longevity, I think, to really work in that regard. Anyways, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and please let me know if you like this microphone. I, for one, really do. I'm going to be doing a comparison with that to this Muhlbach microphone that we did in a previous video, just comparing audio and seeing what we can do there. That said, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and consider hitting that Teespring link in the bio. Thank you.